The vast expanses of sand dunes, the shimmering heat waves, the occasional oasis, and the harsh survival conditions for both plants and animals have always fascinated us. But what makes a desert a desert? What are the underlying scientific principles that define these unique landscapes? Welcome to Deserts 101. Deserts are some of the most inhospitable environments on Earth, but they are also some of the most fascinating. From the scorching heat of the Sahara to the frozen deserts of Antarctica. Deserts are defined by their lack of water. In fact, the official definition of a desert is any area that receives less than 10 inches, 25 centimeters, of precipitation per year. But why do some areas receive so little water, while others are lush and green? The first factor is the global distribution of rain and moisture. The Earth's climate is largely determined by the amount of solar radiation it receives, and this varies depending on the latitude and angle of the sun's rays. Areas near the equator receive the most direct sunlight, and therefore the most heat and moisture. As we move towards the poles, the angle of the sun's rays decreases, and so does the amount of heat and moisture. The Earth's surface is also shaped by geological forces such as tectonic activity, erosion, and volcanic activity. These processes can create mountains, valleys, and other topographical features that influence the distribution of rainfall and moisture. For example, when moist air encounters a mountain range, it is forced to rise and cool, which causes the moisture to condense and fall as rain or snow. This is known as orographic precipitation and is responsible for many of the world's most productive ecosystems. However, when air descends on the leeward side of the mountain range, it is dry and depleted of moisture, creating a rain shadow effect. This is why many deserts, such as the Mojave Desert in California, are located on the leeward side of mountain ranges. Deserts may be devoid of water, but they are not devoid of life. In fact, deserts are some of the most biodiverse ecosystems on Earth, with a wide range of plant and animal species that have evolved unique adaptations to survive in these harsh conditions. Many desert plants have evolved thick, waxy leaves or needles that minimize water loss through evaporation. They also have extensive root systems that allow them to absorb water from deep underground, where it is more likely to be found. Desert animals have also evolved unique adaptations to survive in these extreme environments. Some, like the camel, are able to store large amounts of water in their bodies. Others, like the kangaroo rat, are able to extract moisture from the food they eat. Despite the harsh conditions, the desert is not completely barren. One of the most important features of the desert ecosystem is the oasis, a small area of fertile land where water is available. Oases are crucial habitats for many desert animals, providing a source of water and food in an otherwise inhospitable landscape. Deserts are some of the most fascinating and complex ecosystems on Earth. From the geological processes that shape them to the ecological adaptations that allow life to thrive in these extreme environments, there is much to discover and understand. As we continue to explore and study these remarkable landscapes, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world and the interconnectedness of all life on Earth. So the next time you look out at a barren, seemingly lifeless desert, remember that beneath the surface lies a world of incredible complexity and beauty, waiting to be explored.